Today I'm going to talk about list, set, and dictionary comprehensions. So let's begin with list comprehension first. List comprehension provides a way to transform one list into another. And the same definition applies for set and dictionary comprehension as well. Let me show you what I mean by that. If you have this kind of numbers array, and let's say you want to find out even numbers in this list. So what you're doing essentially is you are generating a new list which has only even numbers from this list. Using a traditional for loop, you will do something like this. You will just iterate through your original list and you will check if a number divided by 2 yields a 0 remainder, then you will just append that to a new list. And that works. But here you're writing 3 lines of code. List comprehension provides you a way of writing the same code in one line. You can do even equal to I for I in numbers if I %2 equal to 0. And when you do that, you get the same result. So this thing is essentially same as this 3 line of code. Here you're writing your for loop, here is your condition, and here is the output that you want to put in this resultant list. So you can see here the syntax is very compact, so it can reduce number of lines in your code, and it is much more readable and easy to understand. What if you want to generate square of all these numbers? You can do that by doing this. You can say I cross I for I in numbers. So here I don't have any if condition, and I'm just iterating to the list and generating a new list which is a square of original numbers. So 1, 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, and so on. Okay, let's cover set comprehensions now. Now if you don't know about set already, set is an unordered collection of items, unique items basically. So the basic difference between list and set is that set is unordered and it doesn't allow you to contain duplicate items. So for example, this is how you create set. You can pass a list to a set. So if I say 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5, and if I pass, let's say, duplicate numbers, so here you can see 2 and 3 are repeated, it will just clean them out. So you will get a unique numbers in this list. Now I want to do the same thing. I want to generate another set which has only even numbers. So the syntax is exactly same, except that instead of using square bracket, you are using a curly bracket here. So I will just do the same thing. So just copy paste this line here, and when you print even, you can see here it has only even numbers. Okay, now here there is a 6 because I use numbers array instead of s. So if I use s, you will not even see the number 6. Okay, so 2 and 4. Okay, now let's talk about dictionary comprehensions. Let's say you have 2 lists. So the first list is the list of the cities, and the second list is the list of the countries that those cities belong in. Now you want to create a dictionary where the key is name of the city and the value is a country name. You can do this easily using a dictionary comprehension. Now before we go into dictionary comprehension, let's talk about zip function. So zip is a built-in function in Python, and what it will do is it will zip 2 lists together. So if I do this, it will create this zip object, which is nothing but zipped version of these 2 lists. I can iterate through this object, and if I print the elements in that, you will see they are nothing but tuples created by using those two original lists, right? So we're going to use zip function in our dictionary comprehension. So again, the syntax is similar to set, where you use curly bracket, and here you will say city colon country. Okay, so this format represents each element in a dictionary, and in dictionary, as you know, there is a key, and after colon there is a value. So here now I will say for city country in zip cities countries. Okay, if I print D, then you can see that it generated city country dictionary. All right, that was all about comprehensions. Remember, comprehensions are a very powerful and a unique tool in Python, so use it wherever possible. They are very fast as well. It provides excellent performance. All right, thank you for watching.